like that. Meet me at the corner, won't you? Down your avenue, alright. And I'll be patiently, yeah. Yes, I will. Waiting there for you, alright. I said to tune in till the morning, alright. Tune in your misty streams and red dreams. Your best just to make it quick. From my tent to the sick. Love, love, love. 'Cause there must be something she can do. This heart is broken in two. Tell her it's a case of emergency. There's a patient by the name of Gregory. Night nurse, yeah. Only you alone can quench this shatter. Gave her back the key to her front door. 'Cause it seemed she didn't care about me anymore. I gave her all the love I had and she spilled it, yeah. So I packed my things into a shopping bag and decided to quit. But Lord knows that I don't wanna be lonely tonight. Granny know that I don't wanna be lonely tonight. I mean it, yes I mean it. I don't wanna be lonely tonight. But I'd rather to be lonely than to live a dirty life. Now some other man will buy you diamonds and pearls, yeah. And those are the things that mean a lot to some girls. But all I have is love, darling. All I have is love, oh yeah. Mr. Brown, Lord, why, Mr. Brown? I said, why, Mr. Brown? I come to check your data, yeah. Now you may not think it is true, yeah. But I'm related to you, Lord. in the place for me, little woman. That's not how it should be. We move a little slower. Though she isn't in my top 10, still she is on my chart. Sitting in the back bench, still she's a student of my class. The way she love brings sweet, sweet memory. Oh God. Hear me Monday morning, yeah. Long after see ya. Now the old folks used to say, Al, I wonder how you do. I was hoping for a break, yeah, Lord, but my life was at stake. But from beginning to end, yeah, and at the bus them again. Hear me Monday morning. After you make my day, yeah, has to know you're going away. Lord no. Seems like my life begin to ruin. Now that you're departing pretty soon. What more can I say? Yeah. Sad to know that you're leaving, Lord. Even though it's kind of grieving. Now who's gonna hold and squeeze my tight? Somebody tell me. Now that she's gone out of my life, who's gonna make me feel the way she used to do? Yeah. Now that my love is overdue. Now that my love is overdue. What? La da 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 da. Lord. La da 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 da. If I could reach the border, Lord, then I would step across. So please take me to the border. No matter what the cost, 'cause I'm leaving here. I'm leaving out to Babylon. Yeah. I'm leaving out to Rome. Say we want home. Say we want home. Love me with feeling. Yeah. Come on and love me with meaning. Though you seem to be shy, come on and give it a try. Cause there is one thing that I believe in. I want you to come and love me with feeling. Lord, no. Love me with feeling. Come and love me with meaning. Lord, Lord, Lord. Liquor, acid, herb, I smoke and the dance all tight. Yeah. No corner, but no one, no fuss, no fight. Oh, what a feeling. Oh, what a feeling. Wonderful feeling I had. Oh, what a feeling, yeah. Wonderful feeling I had, Lord. Hang on, yeah. Weaving storm, Lord, Lord, Lord. But whenever there is a storm, I know there's got to be a calm. Lord have mercy, please. Hang on, yeah. We'll soon see dawn. Cause although it's windy, not warm, yeah, Jah will guide us through the storm. Lord God. Sun God done already, yeah. Come on and let us hang on steady. Day, yeah. Lord, no. Hurts to know you're going away. Believe me. Seems like my life begins to ruin. Now that you're departing pretty soon. What more can I say? Yeah. Sad to know that you're leaving.